Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today's video is a complete guide to my Raynox DCR-250 macro filter. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
I recently felt the urge to start with macro photography, but instead of going with a macro lens, I decided to start with the Raynox filter. We have two models available with Raynox, the DCR-150 and DCR-250. I decided to go with DCR-250 because it gives more magnification. So now let me take you through its features, advantages, disadvantages, usage, etc. This is the box that was delivered to me. Inside it we have the macro filter, the universal mounting adapter, protective case and manual. I screw the filter to the adapter like so. Then press these handles and bring the mount in contact with the lens and release the handle to attach it. The best part about the Raynox filter is its compatibility. You can attach it to any lens with the diameters between 52 and 67 mm. So I don't need to buy separate filters for separate lenses like I have to do for UV or ND filter. I can attach the Raynox filter to my DSLR, point and shoot, camcorder, any lens that has a diameter between 52 and 67 mm. It is also reasonably priced. I bought this from Amazon for 7,799 rupees. Now if I would have gone for a macro lens, it would have cost me around 25 to 30k. A macro lens does offer more magnification than the Raynox filter, but the Raynox is great to start with macro photography. Now you may be wondering later on, if I invest in a macro lens, will my Raynox filter lie unused? No, because later I can attach it to the macro lens to give me even more magnification and depth. You may get a degree of darkening at the edges of your frame. Avoid using the camera's inbuilt flash while shooting. When the shoot is over, detach the filter from your lens and carry it around. Avoid viewing the sun directly with the filter attached. Okay, enough of these talks. It's time to take the filter out on the field for some crazy macro photography. I found these beautiful white flowers. First I'm going to use my kit lens without the Raynox filter. Now I try to go a little closer. I'm losing focus. I can't go any closer. As you can see, as I get closer, it becomes hazy and I'm not able to focus properly. Now I'm going to clip the Raynox filter and see how it works. It's coming into focus. I can go a bit closer. Settings. My Raynox filter gives me a very shallow depth of field, so I need to use a small aperture, that is a high f number of around f22 to bring everything into focus. I keep my ISO such that my shutter speed remains around 1/200. If you can use an external flash, it can give you better lit images. The diffuser can be the cherry on top. The diffuser, you can make it at home using some white cloth or white paper, or you can buy one separately. Here are a few images that I have clicked with the Raynox filter, external flash and diffuser. So guys, as you can see, the Raynox DCR-250 macro filter is great to start with macro photography. And if you guys liked my vlog, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about how you may have started with macro photography or what are your views on the Raynox filter. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Here is my previous video. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.